Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to the vlog, the Vicky vlog. If you don't know who I am, my name is Vida, and welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Right now I am making breakfast, and today's Tuesday, and I just got off work. Oh y'all, I forgot to tell y'all, I got me a part-time job, but you know, it's not too bad. So I just got off work and I'm gonna make me some breakfast, but I'm trying to think. I ain't finna lie to y'all, I'm really finna bang. So I'm finna make a biscuit, sausage, and egg. Finna be using Pillsbury honey butter and some Jimmy Dean sausage and some eggs, and I'm finna bang because I am so hungry. Like this morning, this is what I had when I left the house this morning. Oh my god, the oven's beeping. Okay, so I had these this morning. Now mind you, I'm leaving the house real early, so I was like, let me grab something real quick. So these is low-key decent, and it's 9 grams of protein, but my stomach was hurting this morning, so I only had one. But y'all, I am so hungry, like y'all don't even understand. So that's why I'm going to bang. Oh my god, I gotta open up the biscuits. Dang, that was loud.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I really just banged and it was so good. I forgot to show y'all. I have to do a skincare video today for, they're called TREEACTIV. TREEACTIV. This is them. They sent me a face cream, acne treatment face cream moisturizer, and then a balancing herbal toner. And I already used these last night and it was very decent, but I have to create an actual video for them. I didn't do that yet, and I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna do it. But I'm gonna try to set up the camera so y'all can see how I do it, because I have to do it outside and then I also gotta do it in my bathroom. Look at my coat, isn't it so cute? Okay. So I'm currently outside taking, I'm gonna take some pictures first and then I'm gonna do my video. But here, y'all already know the little ghetto setup. Here is the little, you dig. And I have to be careful. Y'all see how my shadow keep getting in there? I have to be careful on how I do this because the shadow is gonna mess up the shots. But yeah, so I'm gonna see if I can try to get some good pictures of this. Oh my god, this is so annoying. I just finished taking the little pictures and the photos. As y'all can see, this thing kept falling. It was so annoying. So now I have to do the second part of the video, which is putting the products on my face. The hard part is done because this wind out here is finna blow me. Okay guys, it is like, I don't even know what up. Don't have my watch on. It's 2:40 and I'm hungry, but what else is new? I'm finally finna eat these. It's the real good I keep wanting to say Real Good Foods, but it's just called Real Good. But I'm trying their brand, and it's the stuffed chicken bites, pepperoni and cheese. Something's telling me it's gonna be bussin'. So I'm gonna put these in the oven because they said you could put them in the microwave. Don't trust the microwave with these, only because I need the whole thing to be cooked. So I'm going to have like 3 nuggets. 3 is such an odd number, so we're gonna have 4. following you, Pooh. Oh my God, Pooh, we gotta climb up. Y'all see what he got me doing? Cause, oh my God.
What the?
Y'all, Jaden got me out here. And it's all the parents sitting down and Jaden got me in here. But this is what I do. Right, Pooh?
Why? Hi, it's way back.
Let's try to get in there. You got it. Ready?
Set, go.
Wow.
You have to do this, and then you kick it in the goal. Yeah, you fast. Like this. Tied up. Like that. Woo! Yeah! Yeah!
Okay, now. One thing about Jaden, he gonna move. Go, Pooh, you got this. Keep going. I'm trying to step on the orange. You almost there. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, I am terrified. You don't care. Who can you take the camera? These kids in here is real bad, like real bad. Mind you, they over here building a whole thing of blocks. Jaden got, this is all Jaden got, right? Because I'm being nice. This is all Jaden got. This little boy gonna come over here talking about, can we take these? No? He's playing with them. Right, Pooh? You was playing with these blocks and he was trying to take them from me. I was gonna have to beat his butt. But yeah, like, they blew me. Like, I'm gonna show y'all the house because it's real big. Look at all these blocks they got. Like, look at all them blocks, bro. And these is all Jaden. To TJ Maxx and look at this. It says baby bear and mama bear. Okay, last thing, I got this reusable bag from TJ Maxx too, and it's so cute. Save the children. I feel my face. I feel like the lighting in the sauna is horrible. I'm gonna need them to get some natural lighting or something because what is this? Just finished my workout and it was a bussin' workout. I got a lot of content in that I needed to. Why? Because it's Thanksgiving. Nobody's at the gym. It's starting to pick up now, but I had came like real early. I was like, I know for a fact nobody's gonna be here, and it was just like a few people, so it was bussin'. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. It is Thanksgiving Day. Like, I'm ready to bang. I'm finna start all day. I'm ready to bang. I'm ready to get my shopping on. Not even shopping for real. I want to get Jaden a couple things, my family a couple things. Nothing too crazy today because Cyber Monday is literally coming up. So I never understand which deal am I supposed to take. Do I wait till Friday or do I wait till Monday? Or do I wait a week ahead of time because everybody was having sales this whole entire week and last week? Does nobody do Black Friday sales? Like, it's Black Friday. Like, they doing Black Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Be for real. After I leave the gym, I'm probably just gonna go home and chill out until it's time to start putting up the decorations. Me and my family are doing that today, and then we gonna bang. No, I'm showing them the vintage Hannah Montana.
God, I can't wait for next week. I can't wait for it to have the look out.
Yeah, I can't wait to see how it looks. Up on the shelf? Up on the shelf is back? He's back for another year? Oh no! Oh! The back? It's the lights, the placement, and we need to redo it.
So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Hey y'all, it is Saturday and I just finished my workout, so y'all already know the vibes. I'm in the sauna, but I want to tell you guys thank you so much for tuning in to this week's vlog. My vlogs have not been as long as when I first started doing vlogs, but it's okay, it's okay. We got Vlogmas coming up, so I definitely have some stuff in store for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all follow me on my socials because that's where the real tea be at. The real tea for the updates on the guide that's coming out next week. Don't forget, mark y'all calendars. Mark y'all calendars. That's where where I post daily on TikTok and Instagram, so make sure y'all go follow me on there. And I will see y'all next week. Peace.
You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the